Okay, welcome back at Rody at a different style of video. We have a schedule for today, and we're a bit late. It's 9:20 at the moment, and we are going to into the market first to make some investment, maybe sell some things. Yesterday we made a sell on Shell. We stepped into the market at the 16th of March when Shell was at 10.7, and we just sold yesterday, so let's look if that was a good choice or not. So here we are in the market, and let's first see what the news is doing. So let's take a look at the portfolio. We have now two companies left. It's a green day, so companies are doing well. I'm a bit skeptical of the market still, but we took some profits in the last couple of days. We stepped in with approximately a little bit less than 2,000 euro, and we made it almost 2,500. So we made a profit of a little bit less of 530 euros. So that's a good start. And this is not the only market that we're in, so let's take that later. But let's take first a look at ABN AMRO, because they apparently are doing well today. They're at 8.07. Let's take a look at the stats, because we have a average of, let's take a look here. We have an average of here. So we have 7.66. I think it's a good time to step out, to be honest. I'm not a big fan at the moment at the banking system. I know they just put out their dividends, so we're gonna make a sell here, and it just hit. It just hit. Let me take a quick look. The highest point today was 8.16, which could be a good way to step out here. With 90 of them, we want to step out at 8.2. Would be then we get 700 back, 738. So let's take that order, because I believe there are going to be some bad days coming. So that's done. So let's take that. Let's look at the other one at Aegon, where we also are in the plus. Let's see how much. I think this was just because I had some money left and I saw this could be a good investment for short term. Yeah, here, so the profits are very small. So I think I just let this in because it's just such a small amount. I might consider to step in later again some more with Aegon, but I do believe that there are some bad days coming. Let's take a look at the cryptocurrency market. Here, Bitcoin, I like this site. It's Coin Paprika. Instead of everybody knows Coin Market Cap, but what I realized is that they sometimes a little bit late with their news and the up-to-date market prices. So I prefer this one. So let's take a look. Here's my total amount what I have right now, and what our best holding is Bitcoin at the moment. So it's almost 56% of our total portfolio. So why do I do that? I do believe that Bitcoin is leading the market. So the moment Bitcoin goes down, the rest of the market most of the time also goes down. So what I noticed is that, because I did both, like I went fully into Bitcoin and went fully into altcoins, but to be honest, like the right way, and also to keep your mind like calm, is to have a bit of both. So what you see in the altcoins, you can like go up fast and earn a lot of money fast, and when you go into Bitcoin now, it goes slowly, but when it goes down, it's also the same way. So if the market goes down, you go hard down with altcoins. If the market goes up, they go slow up with Bitcoin. So that's it. We're not going to make any moves today on cryptocurrencies, but we did do that today, and then probably, because then we have to take all the money out, we will be on 2,300 in our pocket, and then let's wait for a red day. Let's wait for a bad day, and then we step back into it. And then we take, why do we do that? Like we take profits, and then we take the profits, we still put it back into the market so we get more shares, and that will eventually pay us more in dividends if we choose to go in there. Okay, so let's go into the next one. The next one is a workout. So let me take you, we cannot go to the gym today, but what we can do is do a workout at home. And I think this is a great way to show a bit of creativity in this living room, so let's get into it. Okay, let's start the workout and let's see if we can break 50 today. We're gonna try to do some push-ups and to do some pull-ups, but let me show you how we're gonna do that. Because everybody says, like, you know, you cannot do any pull-ups anymore. So we're gonna use the table. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, welcome back at the second part of the workout. I think it's very important to keep on working out even during this time of crisis. So we brought a couple tools. What we need, here we have a foam roller, so to keep the body a bit flexible, to keep the body a bit relaxing, because you know these days you're a lot behind your computer and posture doesn't get very good. So we're gonna do some yoga, some stretching, some rolling, and from there we need elastics. So with elastics we can do a lot of things, so we don't need really weights. We're going to do a lot of body weight exercises to, you know, let's see if we can push it a little bit today, just as we did the last couple of days. And the last thing is a ab roller, which is very good for the belly, of course, because you know you don't want to get fat during these days. Okay, let's get into it. Oh. Not bad. 37, yesterday was 35, so gain 2. Okay, let's go into push-ups. Come on. Good start. Okay, some shoulders. I'm gonna do back shoulder, front shoulder, and some back. Man. Not too much. Let's stick to front shoulder now. So we step into the elastic, both feet. From there, slowly down. Oh, I had to go on. Okay, this is the end of the video. It is almost night. It is 10:30. Now we just finished the Skype session with all the guys. It was a great experience, and yeah, we had some fun. We had good information. We made a bit of profit on the market today. We did a good workout, and I hope you liked this video because this is more close to me, and I will see you guys to the next one. Bye bye.